next we will simulate a string of 5a and 3b's. Means this is the wrong string because number of b's are half of the number of a's, but here we have 5 times a and 3 times b. Okay, so we will see how this string will get processed in this PDA or not. Okay, and what will be the output for this string. Okay, so let's consider w is equal to this string 5 times a 3 times b. Okay, so for first a we are at state q0. Okay, so first a we are reading a input symbol a and top of stack is z0. So we will push this a onto stack, that is first a will get pushed onto stack. Okay, now next we are at state q1 and we are reading next input symbol, that is a. So for next a, if input symbol is a and top of stack is a again, then we have to perform no operation. So for second a we will perform no operation and we will be back at state q0. Okay, now next we are again reading input symbol a and top of stack is again a. So here this transition will be executed. So we will move to state q1 by following this transition, that is a double a. Okay, so a will be pushed onto stack. Okay, so second a will be pushed onto stack. Now we are at state q1 and we are reading input symbol a and top of stack is again a. So this will go to state q0 by performing no operation. So we are at state q0 and here we don't need to update stack because we are performing no operation. Now here we have performed no operation. Now next input symbol is a and top of stack is again a and we are at state q0. So a will perform push operation and we will move to state q1 by following transition a double a. Okay, so a will get pushed onto stack and now new top is this last a. Okay, now we are at state q1 and next input symbol is b because this already we have pushed this fifth a is already pushed onto stack. Okay, now next input symbol is b and top of stack is a and we are at state q1. Okay, so if we are at state q1 but there is no transition that will define the situation, or there is no transition for the situation like we are reading input symbol b and top of stack is a, because here we can move from q1 to q0 for input symbol a and top of stack is a, then and then only we will perform no operation. But there is no transition that will define the situation. If input symbol is b and top of stack is a, then what should I do at state q1? Okay, so means there is no transition to move forward and we will stuck at state q1 only. Okay, because here we have only 5 number of a's and 3 number of b's. Okay, so but according to the language we should have number of a's followed by half number of b's. Okay, means if we have 6 number of a's then a should be 3. If we have 4 number of a's then we should have 2 b's, but there is different situation. We have 5 number of a's and we have 3 number of b's. Okay, so we can say that this string is wrong and it should not be accepted by this PDA. Okay, so half of the string is string w, half of the string w is processed by this PDA, but here onwards we don't have any transitions to move forward. Means what? This string will not be processed by this PDA because this string is wrong. Okay, means wrong strings are not processed with this PDA. Okay, so this was the simulation for wrong string. So I hope you have understood how the strings are processed in case of PDA, and this PDA will accept all the string that follows the condition, that is a raised to 2n, b raised to n. Okay, so all the string that are satisfying this condition all will be accepted by this PDA by acceptance through final state as well as empty stack. If you have any queries, then please comment on it. And if you like my videos, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon button for the notification of my latest videos. Thank you very much.